$1,200. That's fun.
Yes.
Who's here with you tonight, Phoebe?
I have my mom, my sister, and my dad.
And your BFF?
Yes.
Is mom?
Yes.
All right. Well, good luck tonight with this. Spin the wheel. Let's see if we can get you some more money. A lot of money on that wheel. 50 could be $100,000. What is it going to be? Okay, we'll take the C. Phoebe, right down here. Now you chose food and drink. We're going to give you the R, S, T, L, N, and the E. And then you'll add to that. So, 3 more consonants and 1 vowel.
D. P. H. O.
All right, let's see what Vanna finds. Okay, well, think about this. You've had a great night so far. Sound it out. You've got 10 seconds to solve it. Good luck, Phoebe.
Sun-dried grapes, sun-dried bird, sun-dried. No. Cats? No.
It's not a sun-dried bird. It is a candied fruit.
Well, I don't eat candied fruit.
Well, do you eat sun-dried birds?
No, I'm vegetarian.
Hey, I'm going to show you what's under here real fast.
No, I don't want to look. No.
You don't want to look? You want me to show you
I
BFF?
looked already. No.